Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's see how to solve question 10 and question 11 of exercise 5.2. Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression, class 10. Okay. So question 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay, we'll have to find what is D here. And what is given? The 17th term, that is A17, exceeds the 10th term. So A17 is greater, exceeds the 10th term. So A17 minus A10, that is, they have given us what is the difference between the value of A17 and A10, which is equal to 7. Okay. Now, what is A17? So the any nth term can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n value will be 17. So a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 17 minus 1 will become 16. So a plus 16d. So a17 will be a plus 16d. Similarly, what is a10? A10 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So which is nothing but a plus 9d. So A10. So A17, we've got the value as A plus 16D. And for A10, it is A plus 9D. Fine. So let's substitute here. So A plus 16D minus, right within brackets, since we have two terms. So A plus 9D, which is equal to 7. Let's remove the bracket now. So A plus 16D minus A minus 9D, which is equal to 7. So cancelling the positive and the negative A. So cancel. Now 16D minus 9D will become 7D. So 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 divided by 7, which is answer equal to 1. So the answer for the 10th question will be value of D is equal to 1, which is the common difference. Fine, clear, easy. Okay, so basically we have just given only one information, like the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So meaning here the 17th term is greater. So A17 minus A10, which is equal to 7. The difference between the value is given as 7. So we will use that information to get the answer. Okay, now moving on to question number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay, so here we are given the AP series. So AP series is 3, 15, 27 and 39 and so on, okay, will be 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, now first we will write what is given. Okay, so question number 11. So what is given is the AP series, which is starting as 3, 15, then 27, 39 and so on. Okay. So which term, we'll have to find which term basically will be 132 more than its 54th term. So for that, first we'll have to find what is the value in the 54th term, right? So for that, we will write, find what is A. So according to the series, A value, that is the first term, will be 3. Okay, and D value is equal to second term minus the first term. So 15 minus 3, that will become 12. So we know like now A is 3 and D is 12. Okay, now we'll find what is 54th term. So A plus N minus 1 into D. So A here is 3. 3 plus 54 minus 1 into D value is 12. Again, 3 plus 54 minus 1 will be 53. 53 into 12, which is equal to 3 plus 53 into 12. So then 610, then 0 here, 3 ones are 3, then 3, 1 5s are 5. So 6, 3, 6. So 636. So 636. So 3 plus 636 will become 639. So the value of A54. So the value for A54 is 600. A54 is 639. Okay, now but then what is the question here? The question is which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So 54th term, now we know what is the answer. Okay, now we will see what is the value of when you add 132 this one. So now, so basically we'll have to find which term. So A54 plus 132. So here A54 is 639 plus 132. Okay, so AN is equal to, we'll have to find this particular term. So AN is equal to, what is 639? 639 plus 132. 9, 10, 11 carry 1, then 6, 7, 771. Okay, now AN is 777. So now we'll find what is the N here. So an. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 771. A value, we know like a value is 3. Plus we'll have to find what is n. D value is 12 is equal to 771. So 3 plus 12 into n will become 12n. 12 into minus 1 will become minus 12, which is equal to 771. So 12 and 3 minus 12 will become minus 9. So minus 9 is equal to 771. 12n is equal to 771 plus 9. Okay. So 12n is equal to 700, and when you add becomes 780. N value is equal to 780 divided by 12. So dividing 780, 780 divided by 12. So 12 is 6 are. So 12 6 are 12 carry 172. Okay. So 72, then you will have 4. Bring the 0 down. Then 12 into 8 minus will become 6. Right? So it becomes 60 here. So 8 into I think 5. So 10, yeah, 60. So 65. The value will be 0. So 12 times 65 will become 780. So the answer is 65. So n value is 65. So basically, the when an is 771, when n value is 65. Okay, fine, clear? So again, I'll explain question 11. So what is given in question 11 is, which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay. So first, for that, we'll have to first find what is the value in my 54th term. So that's the first step. So first step is to find what is A54. Now using the series, given series, we can find what is A and what is T. That is simple. Now A54 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So substitute all the values, you will get the value for A54. So A54 is 639. Okay, now the question is, we'll have to find the term which is 132 more than A54. So when you add 132 to the value of which we got, that is 639, we are getting 771. Now we'll have to find the n value for 771. That's the question. So when an is equal to 771, put the formula now, a plus n minus 1 into d. A value we know, d value we know, we'll have to find n, equating it to 771. So solve it to get the answer for n. Here n value was 65. So that's the final answer. So the which term? The term will be 65th term. Fine, clear, easy. Okay. Okay, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.